Okay, so finally we are packing up to do a road trip. We've been working on this since April, trying to get out and about and have this happen, and just one thing after another just got in the way. Anyway, I've just finished folding all Mark's shirts for him, and he can pack it in the suitcase himself, but mine is all packed. Just have a few toiletries in the morning to deal with, and you know, then you have to go through the home and make sure all the windows are locked and the garbage is put out, and things of that nature, and plants are watered, so that if you're gone for a week, 10 days, everything should be honky-dory when you get back. Anyway, this is exciting. Finally. It's been 4 months in the making. Every day we've been trying to get out, and it looks like tomorrow morning is the day. What do you want to do?
Not much.
Cute. Okay, well, Mark and I have arrived in Illinois after a very long and exhausting drive, and yeah, well, this is our road trip. So we're just going to go for a bite to eat, and he's checking out the local establishments right now, and when we figure out what we're going to do, it's like, oh, what, 8:30? Long day. Anyway, when not quite sure where we'll end up, but we definitely are on a road trip down south, and as I said, we've made it to Illinois so far. Probably another long day of driving tomorrow before we make a decision on where we're going and what we're doing. Anyway, that's all I have for now. Okay, Mark and I have finally arrived in, where, Illinois?
Yeah.
And we just checked into the hotel and decided to finally come for a bite to eat. And yeah, this has been a long drive, and really haven't had time to do too much of anything else. But hopefully we'll be able to get some video out of our trip. And Mark's exhausted. But anyway, he's enjoying his large beer here while we wait for dinner.
Cheers.
Whereas I don't drink any of that stuff, unfortunately for him.
It was a lot more fun when you were younger.
Yeah, apparently. All right, we'll try to chat later. I'll try to get some content out very soon. And since I'm not terribly hungry, it looks like we're sharing a plate of nachos. The lady was...
Here's some for
him.
I'm just kidding.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Thank you.
Hi, Major.
She was nice enough to split it into 2 dishes, and Mark ordered pork rinds. Not something I eat either. Are they good?
They're great.
Better than the ones you get with Luke? They look better.
Entirely different.
Yeah. They look different. Okay, enjoy.